Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wanting to share a chart or a particular setup from TradingView, maybe you spotted a great trading opportunity or you simply want to collaborate with others, this video is here to walk you through exactly how to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the quick and easy way to generate a shareable TradingView chart link, so you can send ideas to friends, colleagues, or your trading community without any hassle. Let's jump right in and get started. First off, you'll want to head over to TradingView. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing in tradingview.com. If you're not already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in. This will make sure all your layout settings are available and ready for sharing. Sometimes folks just browse, but keep in mind that sharing features are tied to your personal account and chart layout. Once you're on TradingView, look for the Products tab. This is usually located at the top of the page, and clicking on it gives you access to all the main features TradingView offers. Think of it as the front door to all the tools and dashboards, including your charts. By selecting Products, you're making sure you're working from the right section of the platform. If you ever get a bit lost or don't see the tab, just take a breath and double-check that you're on the home page or dashboard, as menu layouts can sometimes change slightly. Now with the Products menu open, glance towards the top right corner of your screen. You're looking for the option labeled Manage Layout. This part is really handy. It's where you can control which chart setup or workspace you're working on. Clicking Manage Layout brings up your saved charts and layouts, letting you choose exactly what you want to share. Whether you've just made some technical analysis notes or you use custom indicators, this step ensures the recipient sees your chart exactly as you do. Next comes the key moment, turning on sharing for your chosen layout. You'll see an option to toggle sharing on and off. When you flip the switch to on, TradingView instantly generates a copyable link below that. This link is the magic ticket. It packages up your chart with all its drawings, indicators, and timeframe settings so that anyone you send it to will see it just as you intended. For privacy, remember, only layouts with sharing turned on are accessible via link, so you're always in control of what can be viewed by others. Once the link appears, you're ready to share. Simply click to copy it. TradingView makes this super straightforward. Now you can paste the link anywhere. Send it to friends through WhatsApp, Telegram, email, or share it in a Discord group or Twitter thread. It's like passing along a snapshot of your trading brain. Whether your buddy lives across the street or across the world, they'll get your chart directly. This part is especially useful for collaborating on trade ideas, learning together, or just showing off that killer trendline you spotted. And that's all there is to it. The entire process takes less than a minute, but it opens up tons of opportunities for sharing knowledge and collaborating in the trading world. If you get stuck at any stage, take a moment and try refreshing the page. TradingView is frequently updated, and sometimes menus get moved around just slightly. I hope this walkthrough helped you master sharing charts on TradingView. If you learned something new, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Got questions or run into an issue? Leave a comment down below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more step-by-step trading tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.